JORCAR Titanium is an industrial company specialized in titanium and high-value-added technical solutions. At our facilities, we manufacture precision components for different industrial sectors, applying proprietary technology and extensive production experience. During this process, leftover titanium is carefully recovered and given a new useful life within our circular economy model. The recovered material is conditioned and prepared to begin a new technological transformation. For this purpose, we use our own centrifugal atomization system, specifically designed for titanium powder production. The titanium is loaded into the equipment under controlled conditions and inert atmosphere, ensuring maximum process purity. Through electromagnetic induction, the material reaches temperatures close to 1,850 degrees Celsius until fully melted. Once melted, the titanium falls onto a disc rotating at very high speed, generating fine particles through centrifugal atomization. The result is Grade 2 and Grade 4 titanium powder with high quality, high purity, and excellent sphericity. The material is then classified to obtain the required particle size between 45 and 150 microns. Finally, each batch is verified, weighed, and packed under strict quality controls. Green Titanium 3D, JORCAR technology that transforms recovered titanium into new solutions for advanced industry.